Right, this is the Mollart model Omnisprint LD2-750 CNC deep hole gun drilling machine, new 2009. One-inch drilling capacity, 30-inch stroke, knee tight.
All right, let's take a look at it. First and foremost, obviously start off with the power made on the control. We'll walk around and check out some of the key components. In fact, yeah, maybe go through it. Do we got anything? Yeah, just standard positioning. Pulse generators up here right away. E-stop on that. That all works good. Main cabinet. Kind of see the doors, how they work. Drills. So we got about a good 30-inch drill bit on here now. So, and of course we have the sliding, which gets moved by the drills themselves through the bushings. They're pressed on there, so that moves with the drills, and there's a pick up and release attachment for bringing it back and dropping it off. Coming around the main panel here, got the two Commander SC frequency drives, Fanuc controller, servo drives up there, standard switchgear, all the safety relays, which we got them all working right now, which consists of a light curtain, area controller, an area sensor, light curtain, and the gates. And some documentation down here, currently wired in the disconnect here at 480 volts. As you pan across, you got some documentation also on the table here to go along with this. Electrical drawings, operator, service, all good stuff, yeah. Taking a look on the back side of the machine, we got the cover off. So again, we're not plugged in on anything, we're just manual operation at this point, but two spindle motors, one Z-axis servo motor right up in here. High pressure coolant all coming in through here. If we had it up and running, that would be it. You kind of see it going in the back of the spindles here. That's the high pressure. Pull back onto the back end of the machine down here. It's all pretty normal stuff here. You got the lubrication system for the ways, pneumatics for the bushings, and of course the transducers and everything for high pressure coolant sensing. A couple of hydraulic lines moving over to the, oh yeah, that's where the conveyor goes, which we don't have in here right now. High pressure coolant system to your left. Two big pump motors up there. A small hydraulic system right behind it with the small motor on there. That would be back there, right, swarf management with filtration. And the chiller, which is back there. So you've got the oil chiller to go with it. All works with this unit here. Blower up on top, which you could probably hear running, and a good look from this side here, right where you're at. So. So we're not able to bring anything here part-wise, but these are the V-blocks, which are positioning to hold the parts. This would be a hydraulic tailstock, which we're not running right now. And of course, there's just the manual adjustment. Put it where you want, lock them in, and you're good to go with your parts. But we do have the 3 axes going, X, Y, and Z. We can move that around right now. Here, we're in manual here. Jog, I should be able to do a little bit here. That's got pretty good, that's about 11-12 inches travel on Y here. X likewise. Kind of see that, these run really nice. There's rapid. I didn't know if you had rapid on here, so that's nice. First time I tried that. That's all good. And of course, coming around here to Z, which is the most important one, we can move that in and out real slow, and then, whoop, now I just bent it. It wasn't lined up. Gotta watch that. Let me get in here and check. They might have pulled it out all the way, so. Oh, let me breathe. It's gotta raise up wide a little bit. There we go. Oh, much better. It's a good thing I'm not running production. There we go. And that goes all the way through. I think we can wrap it this one too. I've got room out here, so let's see. Going forward, no. Yeah, 100% feed. And not on Z. It's just a standard servo feed on this one. That'll just keep on going. That's about 80-90% feed on the dial right there. That just keeps on going through. Go back one again. I'm going to back it up to about where it's in the bushing and turn on the spindles. What else you want to see? Hang on, let me get it right about here. That's in the bushing. And the ball screw, or
just the bushing on the drill.
the bushing on the drill. Oh, this guy here. That's all this is. You have to come in close on it. You got one right here for the chips, which is in the front chip box. That stays stationary as far as tooling is concerned. Yeah, you get on that. And if you swing around to this guy, this would unlatch. This whole bearing, well, the blue insert would go in there with a snap ring. This whole thing gets it's pushed into here, lower that down, and this is what actually moves the whole steady rest right there. So that's it, kind of unlatches, picks it up back there. That's a settable latch way back there. If you look over here, over the top, you can see the little hook where it picks it up and drops it off. That latches up with the box. Yep. There, I'm going to bring up the back spindle first. We'll bring it up. We'll play around with it. Looks like 400. Yeah, that's the back side. Oh, we did bring it up. We brought the bearing out. That's going to have to go back in. Let me stop it for a second and shove that back in. Moving along just to make sure we don't lose this. There we go. Oh, the guys left it open. That's what they did. They were looking at it. There we go. Let's try that one more time. That was 500. There's 1,000. Go a little bit more with it. It's 1,500. This one we're going to watch. I don't know if I bent it or not. I'm going to run that one out right away. If it starts whipping around, we'll slow it down. We might have bent it. There's 200. That's 1,000. That's not too bad. I'm not going to go real fast with this one because there might be some run out on that drill. That's 1,500 right there. Moving along pretty good. They run quiet. Sound nice. I put the other one on with it. That one's going about 2,000. This one's about 1,500. All right, we'll shut it down. Yeah, so we got the 3 axes, we got spindle. That's all we can do in this mode until we actually hook up the rest of the cooling system and stuff. So it's all working pretty good.